this shit all the way real. I'ma keep this shit all the way real. Show no sympathy for the next man, run them down, it is what it is. Nigga be sitting me threat, don't be meaning that shit.
Yo, twin. We almost didn't make the airport. I mean, the flight. Gang, I was just recording in slow mo, twin. Bro, gang, I was recording in slow mo the whole time.
The whole time?
I swear to God. But if it was in slow mo, I'ma just do my intro again. What's good? YouTube, it's your boy Bar back again in another video. So, only if it was in slow mo, y'all gonna see that. Feel me? There's so many people over here. Social anxiety, gang. Oh my God. Social anxiety. We got
Everybody working, gang. Everybody working.
It's hot, bro. Oh, we ain't going to no Miami. There's one over there too. Atlanta over there.
We're not going to Atlanta.
I know. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I mean, lighting is terrible right here. Y'all guys can hear me, feel me. We currently waiting on the food. Waiting on the food right now. Our plane got delayed, so we currently waiting on some eats. About to get some eats. Gotta wait on the plane anyway, so might as well get some eats, you feel me? Everybody working. Everybody working, feel me? We working, bro. It's really a business trip, and you really ask me, gang. We working, twin. My bad, I ain't mean to get all in y'all face, gang. My fault, gang. My fault, twin. But yeah, though. This camera, my settings is OC, bro. My settings, it's crazy. Yeah, this nigga thinking I'm recording him, bro. But yeah, though, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera on, twin. Good. Bitch.
Don't put ass straight. Dad.
You're close.
Hey, chat. She stole my seat, gang.
Scared? No, I did not.
Oh God, you did. Stole my seat, bro. It's alright though. It's alright though. We about to head to Detroit. Show my camera.
Got you. Y'all, literally. Oh my God. Look at this town. Ugly ass. Y'all, I'm gonna turn down 2 cameras. I'm so like that right now. Literally. Yeah. But y'all, hold on. I need to pull this thing out so I can see myself. Alright. Y'all, why? We just ate chicken from Popeyes. It was good though. That chicken don't taste like rock.
Oh God.
But yeah.
It's yours. It's yours.
Alright, here.
Alright, gang, get back with y'all.
Alright.
Yo.
Oh my freaking. Alright, on you.
Come on, get me right. Hello.
Yeah, y'all about to take the other picture.
Get back with y'all. Let's go, YouTube. We made it to Detroit, you know what I'm saying? This airport a lot bigger than the last one. Feel me?
We can't. This one ain't going up, we can't.
How was the flight, gang? Good. Bye.
I'm scared.
Who was scared?
hurting my ears.
Oh God, it was hurting my ears too, gang.
That's stupid. I did that.
Good.
Would you vlog again? Huh? Would you vlog?
Hey, I just wanted to just look at the airport, man.
Yeah, right here too, yeah.
Right here?
So we got our luggage, you feel what I'm saying? They had it on the wrong shuttle. Like, that joint was tripping, bro. Everybody was on the wrong shuttle. We was sitting there for like 30 minutes, gang. They wasted my time. I should really get on that demon time, OD crash out type of timing. Cause they wasted my time, so man. They wasted my time, gang. But yeah. I gotta show y'all a fit check real soon. I'll show y'all a fit check real soon. Well, I just gotta get settled though. I should have been showed y'all the fit check, but like I forgot, gang. That's on me. That's on me, gang. I forgot. But I'm gonna show y'all the fit check when I get settled. We working, twin. That's my dog. That's my twin. You feel me? We in Detroit with it. We here to work. Sorry, now we here for G-Day. Mom gotta graduate. All that. So we just down here, gang. We probably going to ATL next week. But I don't know, we trying to find. I think we about to get an Uber or something, or Uber. This camera is crazy, like, I swear.
Right here.
Look at how crazy this camera is, gang. This camera is crazy. But we about to go down the escalator. I don't know, we just looking for something. I'm gonna get back with y'all, cause like, gotta get everything straight, get to the room. I'm gonna get back with y'all though. Probably put on a fit, take some flicks later. I'm gonna just bring y'all in me, along with me, bro. It's gonna be like a hour-long video anyways. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Come on. Say what's up to YouTube.
What's up?
True. You already know I go 10. Getting that back. Feel me?
Let's see how this gonna work out.
In the black truck.
Oh, they sit in the middle. Yeah.
So you sit in the middle, you know that.
She really wants around us right now, so we stop pretty close
Seatbelt. Get your seatbelt.
It's okay.
So we finna head to the hotel. Feel me? Is that like, yeah, we finna head to the hotel. My cut looking creepy. I'm flipping some nice black truck.
But is that for girls?
No.
She's my mean.
You didn't help say with the luggage stuff?
Jesus.
This dude told me he got it, bro.
Jesus.
He need to stop telling me he got it if he don't.
Knuckles. Knuckles.
You got it. You don't. Oh, this.
Oh, let me see if I got this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might. You ain't gonna lay it down. You ain't gonna lay it down?
It ain't gonna work.
Oh, it don't work. And I got something for this. Go ahead then. Go to get in.
It's perfect. Put it right here.
It ain't gonna fit.
You gotta put it sideways.
Hold this.
On the block, you know we lie. Let it go up. When it.
Say
What
no.
the? Okay, take it back out.
Nah, it ain't gonna work. Who water?
Mine. I got money. Tell her to 8. We got
Oh my god, I'm gonna get back with y'all again to me.
standing up.
What? Yep, so we made it to the motel. I said motel. Hotel. It's a little slight room, you feel me? I'm gonna give y'all a room tour later. But yeah, fit check. If I take it off, I'm finna put on my fit so I can flick up right quick. Feel me? But yeah, we go easy. We go updated boost before I rebrand to the runway. Then we go, all I got y'all. We go global threat. And then we go morning on the feet. Feel me? Morning on morning. Yeah, I'm finna put on my fit that I'm finna get Chris's in. You feel me? Want my haircut still a little fresh, so I might go get in the pool and stuff. But yeah, though, I'm finna put that on. And I'm gonna get back with y'all. You know, show y'all the fit like usual. You feel this mirror? You feel me? This mirror tough. Hold up. It's a flick right here to me. It's a flick right here. Yeah, though, finna get back with y'all. So y'all, this the fit, you feel me? Chrome, K-Subi, Rick. Y'all rate the fit down below, man. Alright, gonna flick up. I'm gonna take y'all along with me though. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's the next morning, you feel me? I got on, still got an abundance of stuff, man. I'm about to draw some pictures today. I took them last night though. I ain't never like picked back up the camera, so y'all ain't really get to see them. So I'm gonna show y'all though. They in here loud and stuff to me, but like I'm finna put on a whole different fit. My mom graduated today, Russia. You know I gotta celebrate that. That's why we're really down here. But yeah though, she graduated today. Proud of her, man. But yeah though. I don't know. Me personally, I like this fit better because I'm really not a skinny jeans type of person, bro. I used to be, but it's never hard though. But yeah, though, I'm finna put on the fit. I'm finna vlog a lot today. This vlog finna be like 50 minutes. Not even gonna lie to you. Just gonna keep the camera rolling. I'm just keep the camera with this angle and then this angle. This is my good angle. Hell lie. But yeah, though. Whenever I get into some, I'm gonna pick up the camera, vlog for y'all. So yeah, gonna put on the fit in a few minutes. Probably gonna lay back down though, son, but I'm gonna pick up the camera in a few more minutes, gang. What's good, YouTube? It's the next day, feel me? I got that fit on.
My bad, I thought this was 401.
I said I better go do it again.
Hey, record for me, bro. Fit check. Feel me? That's the fit for today, man. Look like it's finna rain, gang. That's gonna mess everything up. Hope it don't rain. We're in a black truck. Black truck coming to get us. Black truck. Took some pictures in the black truck last night. I gotta show y'all this though. I gotta show y'all. I don't know if I showed y'all, but I'm gonna show y'all now. So y'all can get a little peek of what today's picture's looking like. My bad, bro. Let me show y'all. Let me do this right quick. You can barely see it though.
Yeah. How's that? How's that like t-shirt? These are shorts.
Yeah.
What about the other?
I don't know. And then this
What's the graduation?
peace key. Peace key. My cameraman looking a little too sexy lately, gang.
I'm not.
I don't know why the camera don't work.
Yeah, basically, give me the phone. You know, you're not ready.
Hold on, let me put this little stuff on because I know how you is than me.
That's not necessarily where I was gonna be at, but
Where?
I mean, it don't matter.
Where you gonna be at?
Go there. Come over here. Right here. No, nigga.
Where? On the table.
I heard you. Oh, that's that little girl. Stop buttoning up. Stop buttoning up soon. No? This looks so good now.
I cannot see.
Look.
Just leave the bottom of the
Yeah, hurry up.
They coming.
Yeah, they right here.
I want my hair.
I left my dog in the car. It's my dog. Daisy.
bills, and then they take the bills, you pull in the garage, and they take the car and give you a ticket.
I just somewhere upstairs.
I ain't so used to the whole
And then he was driving reckless with the truck.
They all drive it.
Dang, we don't got more no flowers.
Hey, you okay? Good.
Hi guys.
Alright, y'all. So we got to early graduation, you feel me? It's like this, oh shit. But yeah though, it's loud in here, you feel me? I'm about to walk across the stage, I'm gonna record that. I'm gonna try to record that, you feel me? And yeah, we gonna just go on with our day. We got other stuff planned for the day, we got the cruise to get on, all that. But yeah though, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Gang. Freaking too.
You freaking too. Hold on my wallet.
I ain't picked up this camera in a brick, man. We on the cruise though, feel me? Little mini cruise. Yeah.
Take it out, man.
Should I record tomorrow?
Then I'll drop your camera.
I'm going tomorrow.
Why keep disconnected?
Copyright.
Oh God, copyright. I don't know if I'm gonna end this vlog right here or not, gang. Ski. But yeah though, shop, take it into tomorrow. I might as well take it tomorrow. One more day, might as well. Y'all, a real long vlog, and I got a whole nother video dropping before this one. So this video probably gonna drop after you see. I might as well say it because it's gonna drop after you see the video of my recent pickups. So this gonna drop after. Yeah though. Fit check.
Alright. Shirt from Shein.
Yup.
Pants from Shein. Shoes from Goat. Shoes from Goat. Earrings from Sally's. Ring, Pandora. Hair, Beauty Supply. Let me do you. Alright. Girl, go.
Oh. Shirt from Val.
Okay.
Jeans shorts from, I said jeans jorts from Levi. Feel me? Shoes from Ricky. Shoes from Ricky.
Okay.
Feel me? And my go yard is right there. Feel me? Zay Turner.
Don't know.
Whoa. Oh. Hey, Ty Trent, he must not know twin. LV gang. Walk in. LV.
From where?
It's from LV.
LV.
Yeah. I don't know myself.
I don't even know.
It's a promo shirt.
Braces from Dream Smells.
Boy, you trolling.
Walmart. Balenciaga. Adidas.
Uh-oh, they hot. PJ.
Alright. Shirt from Apathetic Boots. Walmart. Shoes from your girl.
Yeah. Come on, yell back to him, man. Yell.
See how bark is not a cheery bark. It's like
Do it again.
So it's still a lot of cars far there, so I guess we're good.
Yeah,
them white look.
because everybody on this cruise there. Saying nah, or wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Alright, you guys. Let me end it like this.
Nah. Hey, look, you end it for me.
Alright, you guys. That's dang. Alright, take 3. Cut that out. Alright. 3, 2. Alright, you guys. That's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. and I'm gonna have another video. I mean, dang. And he's gonna have another video coming out probably next week. But all right, y'all. Until next time, and we out. Make sure y'all go like my video that I post. Look at the train, y'all. Hold on, but make sure y'all go like my video. My YouTube is Dianthony, and make sure y'all go like my pictures on my Instagram, daylove_.Zion. All right, now you can do it.
Oh, let me see.
Yeah. And we out.
Hold up.
No.
Oh,
We out.
Let me get my.
Yeah, I'ma keep this shit all the way real. Show no sympathy for the next man, run them down, it is what it is. Nigga.